Teka, yung mic ko pala. Ulitin natin. Everybody, good afternoon from Bahrain, Pakistan. There's two ways to pronounce it. I'm hearing some locals pronouncing it's like Bahrain or Bahrain. Up to you, but for me, it's Bahrain. So for today's video, come with me as we're gonna be visiting this Jabba Meadows, Palanchai Meadows, and Daral Lake. It's just gonna be a quick vlog. So I'm on a private tour right now. I arranged a tour with me right now because I really wanted to show Bahrain. Because I've seen a lot of tourists just passing by here, not even checking out what Bahrain can actually offer. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking you to these places. And before we start, my name is Kate Reto. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit like the notification buttons on so I can continue sharing my travels to all of you guys. So without further ado, let's go. Explore na natin to agad-agad. Everybody, good afternoon from India, Kate Reto here. So for today, ganda ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Alam nyo ba, sobrang daming tour dito sa Pakistan, pero they directly go to Kalam. Dinadaanan lang nila tong Bahrain. Wala silang ginagawa dito. So for today's video, I will be the one to explore it myself. And let's see what Bahrain can actually offer to us. But as you can see my surroundings, bago kayo pumasok dito sa tourist spot na to, this is the entrance. It's actually so malamig right now. I've been to Bahrain so many times. I can no longer count it. I think in this month, around 8 times. But I wasn't really able to give it a chance na i-explore. But then I met a guy. Tapos I was in a local transport. He said, there's actually more Bahrain. Go there and try to explore it. And I tried to arrange a very cheap tour with me. So ayun, nagawa natin siya ng paraan. Kaya, tara na, excited ako. Share ko lang sa inyo. Let's go. Everybody, so just like 2 minutes after we entered the tourist place. Basta yung pinakita ko way earlier. So this is what you can see. Ayan yun siya. Para ka na sa Abdabad na para may pagkagilgit. But this is Swat, baby. Para yung baby. Pero tayong ay nasa Swat right now. Ay, para makita nyo lang yung baan. Diyan ako kanina sa baba na yan. For everybody, just so you can see like how the road looks like. Para ka nasa Swabi. Ganito rin naman yung daan namin pa Swabi. The difference is that dito kasi sa Bahrain, tsaka malapit, ano kasi to, malapit na to sa Kalam. Kaya yung weather dito is also nice. Not so cold, but still pleasant and medyo chill yung wind talaga. Sa Swabi na para kang binoblower sa init. Kung ngayon ka po, kung nasa Swabi ka at this month, nako pa. Kung nasa Swabi ka this month, nako pa. Para kang sinusunog sa sobrang init. Everybody, I'm so sorry if I'm vibrating again. Because the road is vibrating too. Talaga naman. Let's go. Everybody, to everyone who wants to see Bahrain, parang on top of the mountain, this is how it looks like. Ayan yung main road, diba? Alam ko na to. Kabisado ko na tong Bahrain, to be honest. I've been here so many times, hindi ko lang siya na-feature a lot in my vlog. Because nga, every time na I'm here, literal na passing by lang talaga. Tapos may stopover man ako, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So nakaraan, sinadya ko talaga si Bahrain. So the last time na nandito ako, talagang bumaba ako, sinadya ko to, bumaba lang ako sa may Kalam. Tapos kinausap ko yung mga lokal, naghanap ako ng way kung paano makapunta sa Bahrain using public transportation. So, ayan na siya this time. Nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, I need to make sure. What I'm saying, I know that they will say that. Just say that we're not taking video of them, I'm sure. May lumapit sa amin lokal, is making sure na hindi nakukuhanan yung mga babae, which is we are making sure. So, always remember that, ha. By the way, I was saying earlier na once you go here, kasi nga yung mga car dyan, talagang dumadaan lang sila dyan. And even the tours here, they don't feature Bahrain a lot. So, I want to make sure that I will be able to show it myself just so we'll be able to know what's actually above Bahrain. So, ayan siya. Ayan yung ganda niya. Tapos, ayan yan siya. Diba? Appreciate nyo ba yan? The river is ribbering. If you watch my vlog, you will know that I have a previous episode here. Yung para nag-ano ako sa kanilang public market. Ayun. Ayun yun, dito yun. But this time, we're on top of the mountain. Yung ganon. Hi everybody. So, we are actually halfway there. Sa aming pupuntahan. Tapos, may nakita kaming si Baba. So, ayun. Pinasakay ko siya. sa sasakyan. Pag pupunta kayo, if you're visiting villages or mga bundok, mga sobrang tagong lugar here in Pakistan, and if you see people walking, most especially elderlies, if they have like, paninda, not paninda, like, anong tawag doon when you buy something in the market? Pinamili. You can always ask them to ride with you. Give them a ride. It's normal sa mga villages here in Pakistan to give ride sa mga nakikita mo sa mountain, and don't worry about it. They are usually okay. Okay? I'm confident too that because I've seen this a lot for the first how many months that I've been staying here in Pakistan. I've seen this a lot. Like, if you see someone walking sa mountain, they have pinamili, you always ask them if they want to ride with you. And insist, okay, I insist na he go with us. Because grabe yung lalakarin niya, parang itong buong ilang mountain na to, nilalakad niya lang to until makabalik siya sa lugar nila. Which is, hindi kita dito but natatakpan kasi nitong building na to, which is the dam. So, diba, suddenly merong building dito, but because this is the dam that provides electricity sa Bahrain. O diba? Napuntahan ko ang lugar kung saan nagbibigay ng elektrisidad sa buong Bahrain. Ayan siya. O, ito si Baba. O, ayan si Baba. Baba, say hi. Ito yan, yung dam. So, ito yung nagpo-proseso. Akala mo talaga, Kara David Pakistan version. So, ayan yan yung dam. Binutas nila yung parang somewhere. Basta somewhere there in that mountain, meron dyan tunnel na binutas para magawa nga tong dam na to. Tapos, ayan, yung tubig na yan. Alam niyo na, hindi ko alam kung paano yung proseso. Hindi na ako magtatali-talinuhan. But that's, how it works, right? If there's a dam, there's electricity. Ganun na lang. But, ayan, yung dam na yan. Ayan na yan. Basta ganyaan. Alam niyo ba, yung mga naranasan ko tumira dito sa village sa Pakistan, somewhere here also in Kalam. Not in Kalam, somewhere in Swat. It was a private tour for a day or two. Because I got sick, so I had to stop the tour. Alam niyo ba, whatever they can find around them, that's what they will eat. So if you have corn, if you have potato, if you have cabbage, if you have berries around you, that's what you're gonna eat. And if you have rice, that's what you're gonna eat without the meat. Yes, without the meat. Talagang lang kinakain namin, bigas na pinakuluan with powder kung anong pampalasa yung pwedeng gamitin sa village, ayun na yun. Over the rainbow, way up high. Hello. Tawa-tawa siya. Hi everybody, so ayan, I see Dalal Lake. But from here, I think the car can still go. Oh, everybody, so ayan na. Oh, di ba? This is an exclusive tour with Kay Toretto. Dinala ni Kay Toretto ang kanyang sarili. Because I don't have a team right now. I'm alone. Just so I can, go further and visit what's actually in Bahrain. So, merong Dalal Lake, which is ito yung nilalakad ko at the moment. So, ayan, tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin. I'm not removing my glasses because my eyes are kind of swollen because of, I'm taking a lot of, anti-allergy medicine so I can do this tour. And it's making me sleepy. That's why my energy is also down because my energy is like dak. I don't know. But tara, let's go. Pumunta tayo dito. Ayan siya, Dalal Lake. I don't know if I will be able to show you this. If not, we will do it next time. Okay? So, but this is how it looks like sa paligid. Ayan. Sorry everybody, ha. Hinabutan tayo ng aking allergy. Talaga naman. But I'm trying to show you as much as possible. As far as I can. As much as I can. Even the English, wala na rin. Yung energy ko. I cannot even hold my camera right now, honestly. Even if it's magaan. Pagod ako, ewan ko ba? Whew. Hoy, ayan na, Ay, ang daming kids dito. Ayan na siya. Ayun yung Dalal Lake, yung parang dami na rin yata yun. Tinamad, no? Yun na yata yun. Sorry, may energy. Wala na talaga. So, may shop dito. May bibilin lang ako. May nakita akong parang shop. So, pumunta na tayo dyan. Ayan na yan. If I have more energy, gusto ko para itong sa Abbottabad yung pinuntahan ko. Parang ganun din siya. Nai-imagine nyo ba yung mga tao sa tuktok na yan? Kung paano sila nakaka-survive dyan. If you need anything na not available around your surroundings, you literally have to go down. Have to go down para lang mabili yun. So, ayun. Okay, ang daming bata sa likod. Kit na this one. But I don't want teen toys. Kailangan yung makakain ng mga bata. 1, 2, ekdo, teen, char. What is this? 5? Punch. Che. Sat. Okay, we buy this. We'll buy this. What's this? Candy, mango juice? Kit na this one.
That's what I
Das? 10 lang. Bili na natin lahat yan. Ipamigay natin sa mga bata. Rasha, Rasha, ay! Get. Rasha. 2. Dali, dali. Ilan ba to? Biya mo na. Siya na bahala dyan. Get. Ek minute. Bigay pa. How many is this? 6? I forgot. Rasha. 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 Nagma-Mother Teresa na naman ako. Cateratoing na naman. Get more. It's okay kahit madoble. Okay lang yan. You have? Rasha. Ilan sila doon? Ito. Team. Rasha. Ito pa, oh. Binili na lang lahat. Sino pa siya? Ush. You have? Get. Wait lang, mabigay pa tayo ng chichirya. Wala kasing ano dito, ibang pagkain. Get for you. Saka lang. Ano pang meron? This one?
It's 24.
Okay. Marami dapat kumpleto. Hands up food. Dali. Tuwan-tuwa sila, oh. Rasha. Bigyan niyo sila. I-share niyo yan. Diyos ko po, magkano lang to sa Pakistan? Sige pa. Kuha pa. Okay lang yan, kahit madoble-doble. Do. Ay, oh. Sino pa? Ay, sorry. Oh. Sige, kahit madoble, okay lang yan. You have? Do. Sino pa? Dami nila, okay na yan. Sige lang. Kaya ng budget yan. Sila muna, yung mga wala pa. Ang dami pala talaga nila. Hello! Ang bilis naman kumalat ng balita. Talaga nagdatingan na sila. Ang dami pala. Ang dami palang ang daming bata. Ang dami naman pala talaga. Pinalabas na sila. Hoy, marami pang dumating. Ay, amazing yan. Go. Ang dami palang bata dito. Rasha, get. Huwag kayo magtulakan. Dali. 120 lang yan. Diyos ko po, 1 dirham lang yan. 120 also. Kinuha na lang lahat. Go. Sige lang, kaya pa yan. Go. Yung mga wala pa muna. Nagma-Mother Teresa na naman tayo. It's okay. Ang dami pa. Come. Dali. Sa kayo nang galing? Ba't ang daming biglang bata? Ba't dumami kayo bigla ng malala? Ginger, oh. Sakto na natin to. Diyos ko, yung nana. Sino pa? Dali, get. It's okay. Dali, yung mga hindi pa nabibigyan. Mahihain sila eh. Sa kayo nang galing? Kayo nang walang tao dito. Ngayon ang dami na. Diba? Nakapamigay ka na, nakatulong ka pa sa small shop, mabuti yan. Inubos na natin yung tindahan doon. Oo. Take. Oo. Take. Okay, good. Good. Tapos na ang ating Mother Teresa, ano. Ay, may change pa talaga. Bas, okay. Bas, oh. Take. Tara. The Mother Teresa is done. Tara. Bye! O, ayun na. Bye! O, di ba masaya na? O, naging meaningful yung pag-visit ko dito. Di ba? Bye-bye! O, ayan na. So, okay lang yan. Nagkaroon ng meaning yung pag-visit natin dito sa Bahrain. Nagulat ako. Yung 5 bata, naging 100. Ang saya, no? Bigla na lang sila naglabasan. Say hi. Oh, happy yan. Oh, may mga food sila. Oh. Say bye-bye. Pak, Mother Teresa na naman ako. The Mother Teresa is Mother Teresa Yin. Ay, ano pa? Mababasa ko nito. Kay Toretto is kay Toretto Wing na naman. Nagulat ako, naglabasan sila. Ha? Oy, the old lady that wants to talk to me. Salam, how are you? How are you? नहीं, जाओ स्पष्ट हो.
बीमा आलाय त्याला तो पैसे सर पैसे केले नीचे बीमा आलाय का जा खुदे पण मला खबर आहे त्याला.
What she say? God bless me. Thank you. God bless me daw. Oh. See, happy na ako sa ganun. Diyos ko, magkano lang yun? Alam mo ba yung isang pack nung pinamimigay ko? Ano lang yun? Parang 1.50 dirhams lang yun. So, if you have the means, I actually don't have the means na mamigay na, to be honest. Again, wala naman akong ROI pa sa YouTube. To be honest, real talk, wala pa akong ROI sa YouTube, okay? Yung ginastos ko to my traveling, basta, walang-wala. Walang naibalik, pero okay na yan. As long as I can survive traveling, I can do this, I'm happy. For me, that's the real meaning of traveling naman talaga. Para akong apos. A step? Okay, go. Stop? Nilaro ko na lang. Oh, stop? Charas. Salam. Ano na, naging apostol na ako dito. Nagsunuran na sila. Oh, ayun na lang. Okay, everybody, this is where I'm gonna end my vlog na. Again, this is Kay Toretto. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you don't have to be rich to share something. You don't have to have a lot to share something. Just help in a way that you can. Tumulong ka sa paraan na kaya mo lang. Wag mo, because you cannot help someone kung wala ka din naman. But for me, wala rin naman ako at the moment, pero I'm happy doing this. So yun lang, I hope that you enjoyed watching. Sige niyo, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Di sila alin na alam. O basta bye-bye na, Kay Toretto, closing my vlog here in Bahrain, Pakistan. Swat. Bye-bye. Natatawa ako sa bonus clip na to. Oh, let's go. Tara na. Ito yung kulto ni Kay Toretto sa Pakistan. Come. Come. Charis lang. Kung di nyo man ito naiintindihan, I hope that I make you happy, everyone. I hope that you remember once in your lifetime na may isang Pilipinong bumisita sa inyo to make you happy today. Okay? Say, okay. Charis. Okay. Charis. Binless. Magiging successful ka. Kaya mo yan. Ikaw din. Bye-bye. Oh, see the camera. Rasha. Yeah! Gusto niyang makita yung sarili niya. Oh, ayan, oh. Do you wanna see your faces? Oh. Sinusundan nila yung camera, eh, oh. Nagtakbuhan! Uwi! Chares! Nagpa-uwi. Muwi kayo! Nanap na yung mga magulang niyo. Akala niya kung ano yung camera. Natatakot sila. Natatakot yung mga baget sa camera. Akala nila kung ano to. Tasik, istanong sade. Let's go na. This video is for myself na lang because this is how will I remember na once in my life I traveled. These are the best memories of traveling. Hanggang dyan na lang sila. Balik na kayo doon. Sige na. Huwag na kayong sumama. Babay na. Bye-bye, mga kids. I hope you will remember me in your life. Or the old lady that wants to talk to me. What she say? God bless me daw. Oh, happy na ako sa ganun.